What if there were infinite versions of you, living in infinite worlds? One version of you is watching this video, but another never found it. Some versions of you may have already explored the stars, while others may never have been born at all. Today, we'll uncover the scariest theories about parallel universes, ideas from physics and philosophy that will change how you see reality forever. Let's start with the basics. The multiverse. Scientists propose that our universe, everything we see, touch, and know, is just one bubble in an endless cosmic foam. Imagine blowing soap bubbles. Each bubble is a separate universe, expanding, colliding, or floating forever. Our universe is just one fragile bubble among countless others. The scary part, these universes might interact. A collision between universes could erase ours in the blink of an eye, and we'd never see it coming. One of the most chilling theories comes from quantum mechanics, the many worlds interpretation. According to this idea, every single decision creates a new universe. Right now, in one universe, you clicked on this video. In another, you scrolled past it. In yet another, YouTube doesn't even exist. That means there are infinite versions of you, living out infinite lives. Some versions are happier, others are darker, and some might not even survive long enough to wonder about this. The terrifying question is, which version is the real you? Or do they all matter equally? Next, the bubble universe theory. Imagine each universe expanding like a balloon. When two balloons bump into each other, chaos follows. Some scientists believe the mysterious patterns we've seen in the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, could be scars from a collision with another universe. If that's true, our universe may have already survived one cosmic crash. But what if another collision is on its way, ready to erase everything we know in an instant? Here's where things get truly unsettling. What if our universe isn't real at all? The simulation hypothesis suggests that we might be living inside an advanced computer program created by beings from another universe. Think about it. Video games have become incredibly realistic. If technology continues to advance, what's stopping future civilizations from running entire simulated universes with conscious beings inside them? The scariest part? If our universe is just code, then glitches in physics, déjà vu, or strange coincidences might not be accidents, they might be cracks in the program. Most of the universe is made of something we can't see or touch. Dark matter and dark energy. Together, they make up about 95% of reality. Some physicists believe there could be entire universes, or even civilizations, made of dark matter, existing right next to us, invisible and untouchable. They could be watching us right now. And the frightening possibility? We might never detect them until they choose to reveal themselves. Parallel universes don't just raise questions about space, they raise terrifying questions about time. Some theories suggest that moving between universes could allow us to rewrite the past. But changing the past creates paradoxes. Imagine visiting a universe where you never existed. What happens if you try to meet your parents there? Or worse, what if your actions in another universe ripple back into this one? The laws of logic and cause and effect could break down completely, and reality itself might not survive the paradox. The scariest part of all these theories is what they mean for us. If there are infinite universes, then our universe is just one among endless copies. Does what we do really matter? If every choice we make exists somewhere else, are we just one meaningless variation among infinite possibilities? The thought can be terrifying because it challenges the very idea of purpose. So, those are the scariest theories about parallel universes, infinite yous, cosmic collisions, invisible civilizations, and even the possibility that reality itself is fake. But maybe there's hope too, because if there are infinite versions of reality, then there are also infinite possibilities for discovery, wonder, and meaning. Maybe somewhere out there, another version of you has already unlocked the secrets of the multiverse. The real question is, what will you do in this one?